Hey, what's up everybody? Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Coleman Lantern 334BH. Now, usually I start in the bunk rooms, in the living rooms, but this to me is that family camper with the older folks or the camper that you want to turn into a party wagon. That's why I'm starting right here in the master bedroom, because this is probably the quietest place you're going to find in this camper if you get it for a party wagon. You'll understand what I mean in just a minute. Right here, we do not have walk-around space, but you're going to find the theme in this one. Plenty of storage space all the way throughout this camper, right underneath the master bed there. Plus, you got nightstands with dual USB charging ports and power ports on both sides, full extension drawers on the ball bearings, and mirrored ward storage on both sides. Plus, we have the raised lip shelf right here and the LED reading light. Got dual pocket doors to help with that privacy. We step into the main living area and we're gonna see, we got the main entry point right here. Got your control panel right over here on the campsite. Checking our lights, our battery, our fresh, our grays, the whole nine. And this has a 60-gallon fresh tank on it, 42-gallon black and gray tanks on it, and probably some of the largest we're gonna have in the industry, plus a 6-gallon water heater with automatic bypass. That's a fantastic feature. Right over here in the entertainment area, we've got the LCD mounting bracket right here. Got the cable plug and the power ports right here. Got your shelf if you don't want to mount your TV, you just want to set it up. Entertainment component, Furion AM FM control command center with USB plug. My favorite feature, the LED backlit fireplace with blower, 3 flame settings, and that thing's 5,200 BTUs. Kicks off some heat. You even have a space underneath for when you come back from fishing or hunting. You got wet shoes, wet boots. Throw them under there, cut the fireplace on, let them dry out. We step into the main living area. We have a living room super slide over here on the off-camp side with the beautiful ironwood decor. Coleman did a great job of matching light and dark interiors. Luann all the way around, R7 insulation on the outside of these walls. But just take a look at the beautiful craftsmanship. Solid wood, got the nice inlay in there. Convertible jackknife sofa with plenty of storage underneath. I'm a fan of this because not only are the doors on magnetic latches, but you got great storage space there for hard cases for rifles, fishing rods, tackle boxes, the whole nine. We come over here to the campsite, you're gonna see lots of countertop space for prepping, especially if you're gonna be feeding a lot of people inside this camper. Plenty of space for people to move back and forth while you're doing the cooking. Got plugs over here, plugs over there, including dual USB charger ports right here. So if you want to charge your cell phone, charge your tablet, you got coffee maker, you got a toaster, you want to set it there, lots of space to do that. Single undermounted farmhouse style stainless steel deep well sink with the brushed nickel faucet high rise. I just wish they would have added a sprayer. Lots of storage underneath. Behind these beautiful solid wood shaker style cabinets with the brushed nickel fixtures. Lots of pantry space and drawer space as well. When we look at these solid wood on the full ball bearing extensions. Got black on black appliances, flush mount 3-burner stove with the glass cover on it and LED light for the accents there, as well as oven space when you're ready to bake that turkey or bake all that fish that you just caught. 7 cubic foot fridge and freezer that runs on both electric and gas with the automatic switch. Lots of space in there for the drinks, the foods. If you got a great cat, you come back with a bunch of cats or whatever, that's going to be a good spot there. Pantry space with the raised lip here as well. And once again, I like to mention it a lot. I'm a fan of spots where I can just grab a backpack, grab a kavu, and just go. That's a good spot for those there. Got the booth dinette opposite the campsite here. This does reduce down into a bed, plus you got storage underneath both sets. But this is a great spot for just sitting down, doing the meals, reconnecting with the family, because that's what it's about. When was the last time you did that? When was the last time you took everybody out and reconnected? This travel trailer is going to lend itself to a lot of entertaining, a lot of space, a lot of style and comfort. Put the cell phones away and get outdoors. That's what you got to do here. Plenty of space to have fun with 6 people at least. Large bay window right there with the beautiful valance, the wood inlay with the LED lights. This reduces down, easily sleeping 2 adults. But if you got bigger kids, teenagers, they need some space. This is the camper for you. Because You got enough beds and bunks for everybody up in here. We even have a trundle bunk underneath that slides out. So we got one there, one there. You have, which I know the kids would be fighting over, this one here, which the headrest actually goes underneath the entertainment center of this bunk up top. But 300-pound capacity on the top, easily sleeping adults. You got dual USB charging ports up top, plus you have them underneath this one as well. So if you needed to sleep a lot of people, but you needed a lot of space, this would be the great bunk room. Now, if it's the guys' hunting trip and you know that the libations will be flowing, this is a great spot for everybody to sleep it off after they got finished catching their weight in fish, or they got finished doing a great hunt, or you hiking and we got a train, we got a lot of people going on the hiking. Bam, look at all the sleeping room we got here. Got the retractable ladder, more storage space, great spot for the dirty shoes and boots right there. Tons of space in the drawers as well. And even shelf space here for the board games or just more clothes that you want to put away. Now, the only thing that I wasn't crazy about with the design on this one was the bathroom layout. Yes, we do have our own door, but when you close off the door to the bunk room, you also close off the bathroom to the rest of the travel trailer. So we open up the bathroom. It has its own entry point, which is great for folks that are going to be going with you on the trip, so they won't be waking up in the master bedroom. But if you're in the master and you got to come use the bathroom at night, you're going to have to open that door, possibly waking people up. But you got plenty of space to come in here. Leg room is great. I got a foot flush on the toilet. I got a single well deep sink here on the vanity. Is mirrored and has the raised lip, so when I'm in transit, my bottles and stuff like that won't be falling over. I got a plug here, but not a lot of countertop space, which I understand because we do have the entry port here. We also have hangers right there for backpacks, coats, robes if you use them, because for the entry port, it's a great spot to have those. Got a single surround in the tub. And if it were sunny outside, you'd be able to see how much natural light is actually coming in through the skylight here. Hand crank to open that, but powered vent fan there. Great spot to wash the dogs or take a bath if you're an adult, because it is high enough to be able to accommodate that. And we got the shower nozzle right there. So plenty of great space. And if you were just looking for a hunting cabin, you wanted to set something up that was also going to be a deer stand or deer blind, excuse me, this would be a great cabin for that, because you got the sleeping accommodations, you got the space and the storage to accommodate something like that. But for a family that's looking to get out and about, this is a great one too. I mean, we got a 35,000 BTU furnace to keep everybody warm on top of that 5,200 BTU fireplace, plus a 13.5 AC with quick cool. I mean, everybody's going to be comfortable. Everybody's going to have fun in this 2020 Coleman Lantern 334BH party bus. So we've seen the inside. Let's go check out the outside. Okay, so here we are on the outside, the 2020 Coleman Lantern 334BH. Going to start right up front with one of the fantastic additions, power tongue jack. When you're talking about setup, this is great to have. Plus you got the LED light, dual 20-pound propane tanks, diamond-plated rock guard on the bottom. You got aluminum all the way around this camper. Plus I'd mention on the inside that R7 insulation. Come around to the campsite. If you do have solar panels, these are set up for solar prep. There's your quick connect there. Pass-through storage that is finished off. That's a fantastic space for if you had beach chairs, towels, if you got the hard cases you didn't want to put inside, or fishing rods, that's a good spot for them. Enclosed underbelly and power leveling jacks, both in the front and the rear. We got ourselves a 16-foot awning just past the solid steps and entry point right here. You got the LED light strip underneath the awning, dual zone speakers as well, tinted sealed safety glass all the way around this camper. Got power ports right out here, and this is a great place to set up, entertain, and hang out with the family, and I'll show you why in just a second. Freshwater connection right there, at the back of the fridge, back of the furnace. Dual axle on 15-inch aluminum wheels. These are the Dexter Easy Lube axles, and they got extra wide berth in between them because that really helps with the suspension. External shower, so when you do come back from hiking, fishing, hunting, whatever, you can clean yourself off and not track that stuff inside the camper. Black tank flush right here. Bathroom entry point, but my favorite part, the exterior kitchen with its own LED light, and large dorm style fridge. So let's say you come back from fishing, you got a great catch, you got a bunch of cats you need to clean up, or you got some trout you want to just clean up and throw in there. Do your prep right here, put it in the fridge. It's also a great spot for your drinks. You got plenty of storage space as well. Once again, with those solid wood drawers on the ball bearing full extensions, large single basin, exterior style sink, got your own power port, storage up top. And I'm over 6'2", and I'm standing up on the curb, so you will have plenty of headroom clearance. But you're saying, okay, Chris, well, yeah, we got everybody out here. We got the music playing. We're cleaning the fish. What are we going to do to cook them? I got you. Did you notice the grill underneath the master bed? That's your grill mount right there. So when you're done, put everything on there. You got the burgers, you got the venison, you got the steaks. Bring that around, clean everything up, grill it up. It's going to make for a wonderful evening of hanging outside and reconnecting with the family. City water connection is on the rear on this travel trailer. Got the arched ceilings with the 3-inch rubber nozzles on both sides to help keep the elements, the rain, the snow, off of the top of the camper and off of you and your slide. This is also set up for rear backup camera, so if you want to get that set up in your vehicle, just talk to our RV specialist about it. Got your 4x4 sewer hose storage on the rear as well. Cable connection on the back, so if you want to plug in a TV, you absolutely could. Come around in between the slides, and this is where you're going to find your 50 amp service plug right there. And then our dumps are going to be underneath this camper. If I'm not mistaken, they are, let's see, where are the dumps on this? Oh, we missed them on the back. So the dumps on this one, usually when they have two slides like this, you'll have a gray tank back here and then a black and gray up front. Both of our dumps are right here. Gray tank, black tank, underneath, easily labeled, and the handles are also color-coded. I like that placement right there on this 334. So we come around to off camp over here on the front. We got the other side of the pass-through storage, but as always, the most important part of any travel trailer, the info panel. As you can see, unloaded vehicle weight for this one, 7,800 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 11,000 pounds. Talk to your specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors and ask them, what does that mean? Here's what my vehicle can tow. Is this right for me? They're going to help you find the RV that's going to fit your camping needs and your camping dreams. But if you've been looking for something to set up as a hunting cabin, something for the family that has bigger kids, or you're going to bring more adults, this 334BH with that bunk room, fantastic option to take a look at. Great space, great storage, great camper. But leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. What did you like about this unit? What did you not like about this unit? I love hearing from you. I'm Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a party camper or family camper. However you want to do it, we got you covered. I'll see you soon.